A few years ago, I was a noob DJ. Today, I'm a legend, an icon, a visionary, and incredibly humble. Here's how you get there too. First, I dropped $4 grand on gear before I learned what a subgenre was. I didn't ask how it works because the Reddit guys explained it for 9 paragraphs. The knob, purely decorative. I touch them like they're 500 degrees and I'm diffusing a bomb. Then I found the sync button because beat matching by ear is so 2005. I play exactly 30 seconds of every track because that's what the TikTok DJs do and they have millions of followers, so I don't need to DJ for the crowd. I just DJ for the camera. The people are basically extras in my reel. For my first gig, I was the opener, so obviously I started with 150 BPM hardstyle. The other DJs were stoked I warmed up the room so well. Eventually I went full vinyl, not to use it, but to tell everyone else they're not real DJs. And actually, hold on, this video has a secret second version. Tap the settings gear and switch the audio to Klingon. I know, it's weird, Klingon, and rewind it. I really want you to hear what I have to say. I'll be serious this time.